I think this is the most complicated part of mortgages, porting. So if you're in a fixed rate mortgage, then it usually means that you're going to have to pay a fee to come out of your mortgage. And if that's the case, sometimes that fee can be massive. It could be thousands. So you might be in the middle of a fixed rate. Let's say you took a 5-year fix and you're 2.5 years into it, but now you want to move house. Well, if you come out of your mortgage and take a full new mortgage elsewhere, you're probably going to have to pay a fee to leave your mortgage, which isn't ideal, especially if it's thousands. In some cases, you can port your mortgage to another property. So take that mortgage to another property. But if that property is more expensive and you need a bigger mortgage, then you're going to need to apply for a top-up. So you can apply to port your mortgage to another property and also borrow additional funds from the same lender to buy a new property. If you do this, as long as you're approved, then usually you won't need to pay the fee to come out of your mortgage because you're porting, you're keeping the mortgage, you're just taking it with you to another property. So it can save you thousands. Downside is that you'll now have 2 mortgages. You might be halfway through a 5-year fixed and then you take the top-up mortgage. You'll need to choose another deal on that one. You might choose another 5-year fixed. So then you'll have a deal that ends in 2.5 years and your other deal that ends in 5 years. So you're always managing 2 different mortgage accounts on one property. But that's not the end of the world, especially if it's going to save you thousands. Usually you'll need advice. You'll want to have a good think and speak to your mortgage advisor if you've got one. If not, you'll discuss it with the bank directly.